Hello everybody, welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. So this is the plan of Brigade Calista.
This plan if you're looking out, with fire I have here on third floor, 3 BHK, okay. On higher floors I have, but outside without fire it will be. So 3 BHK this option.
Hello everybody, we are looking out today Brigade Calista sample apartment 3 BHK with 3 washroom, 1567 square feet. A very big balcony in the living area. So this is a proper plan. If you look out, I really liked it. Somebody is looking out for self-use, one of the best plans to invest. Just look out the space that they have used. We are entering into the common room first. The interior designing is really awesome. The way they have planned everything, the ceiling fan, then this is the common washroom. Then the kitchen. So this is the children's bedroom we are entering, along with the washroom attached to it. Children's bedroom is nicely designed along with the study table within. Wow. This is really nice. So look of living area and dining area from children's bedroom. This is the master bedroom which we are entering. Master bedroom with wooden tiles. So we'll be sharing our number in description. You may reach us for further details. So the pricings are getting revised. So reach us. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe. Have a nice day everybody.